16. The line graphed on the coordinate grid can be used to determine the number of inches of water added to a swimming pool after different numbers of hours. Which statement best describes the slope of the graphed line? The slope is how fast we're filling the swimming pool. It's the rate at which we're filling it. Okay, it's how many inches per hour. So the good news is all you need to do is find slope. So you just pick 2 points, create an XY table, use the formula, and there you have it. So I'm going to pick 2 points. I'm going to color them red. So I am going to pick the start because that's super easy. And I want to make sure that the point I could pick a point out here in the middle, but it's really hard to get an exact answer on that. Okay, so how about we pick one right on a corner? There we go. So, because we read from left to right, point number 1 is there, point number 2 is here. So all we need to do at this point is an XY table. So here's point 1, here's point 2. So 0 and 0 for point 1, and then for point 2, we have 10 and we have 24. Because, let's make it red so it shows up. So I pick this point. This point is directly above 10. I want to make that a dashed line. So this point right here that we selected for our second point is directly above 10 and directly across from 24. All right. So now y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And because x1 and y1 are both 0, it makes the calculation super easy. So we know that the rise is 24 over 10. The rise over run is 24 over 10. The largest number that divides evenly into both 24 and 10 is 2. So we have 12 over 5. So let's go ahead and convert that to a decimal. All right, so we have 12. Let's divide it by 5, and we get 2.4. So the pool is being filled at 2.4 inches per hour. So let's see what doesn't work. 0.42 inch, that's not right. 0.8, nope, because it's 2.4 per hour. 2.4. H has 2.4 and J is 1.25. It's wrong. H is the correct answer. Let's double check our work. There we have it. So, there you have it. Pick 2 points, create an XY table, use the formula for slope, convert the slope to a decimal, and that will tell you how many inches per hour. And we saw that the answer was H. There you have it.